Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Economic profit versus accounting profit looks tricky, but this unlocks fast if you focus on which costs each one actually includes. Start with accounting profit. It subtracts explicit costs like wages, rent, and materials from revenue, but it does not subtract implicit costs, which are opportunity costs. That's the key. Now, compare that with economic profit, which subtracts both explicit and implicit costs from revenue. So economic profit must be smaller than accounting profit whenever implicit costs exist. Simple check. So the true statement says accounting profit is greater than economic profit because accounting profit leaves out implicit costs, and that matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush the comparison. Trust the definitions and check which costs are included before deciding.